Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Nissan 2-button remote key fob. First we need to slide the lock mechanism here over to release the key fob blade. Now we need to get a flat-headed screwdriver and place it in the indentations at the top here and twist to release the two halves of the key fob case. Now we need to get a smaller screwdriver to get at to release the key fob battery. This key fob takes a key fob battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We need to pop our new key fob battery back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing downwards and the positive is facing upwards in its correct position. Time to put the casing back together. Make sure everything is lined up like so. And press it down, make sure it all clicks together. Put the key back in and there you go, you're all ready to go.